Hi everyone. It's good to be out here today. I took a little walk from the office, and as I was walking up this nice path and this river here, I was thinking about this whole COVID thing. You know, all of us are dealing with something we really didn't know anything about. And, you know, I've been seeing a lot of my friends, our customers, spending time at home. People are saying to me, we're not going to Europe, we're not going out to California, we're not traveling, they're just staying home. And we're fortunate from a business standpoint because what we're seeing is a lot of demand in our company. People want our services, people want home services, just nationwide. Home services are up from a demand standpoint. So as I thought about that, I thought, I want to just give you a few pointers so when you're home and you're thinking about doing projects, whether it's the bathroom, an interior remodel, adding an addition, a deck, or doing a patio, whatever it is, I'd like to try to give you a few pointers for you to think about when you're hiring someone to work at your home. So first of all, the obvious thing, you want to make sure that they're registered with the state that you're living in and that they're insured. And you want to know that they have liability insurance and workers' compensation. That protects you, protects your whether there be damage caused to your home, or if somebody falls and gets hurt, that workers' comp is going to protect you, protect the equity in your home. Secondly, what everyone's doing today is checking for reviews. Read their reviews, see what they say, and make a decision if those reviews sound real and if they're actually customers that are just venting or sharing good things, and then make a decision with that. If you can, try to get out and look at a job and see what they've done, or talk to a customer that they worked with. And then when you're talking to the person that you're thinking about hiring, make a decision. Are they listening to you? Are they hearing and interested in discovering what your needs and wants are for you and your family at your home, for whatever it is, whether it's painting, putting in a landscape patio, or building you a deck, whatever it might be? Are they listening to your needs and wants, and then sharing ideas as to how they might enhance it for you? Because if they're not listening to you then, they're probably not going to listen to you when the job gets started. Ask them about their staff. Find out who works for them, how long they've been there, and what their qualifications are. And then you can look at things like, what organizations are they involved with? Are they involved with the Builders Association? What certifications do they have as a company or as an individual? And that starts to piece together the puzzle to keep you safe when you're doing work at the house. And then finally, what's your gut telling you? Because too many times I think all of us get a gut feeling, and sometimes we go against our gut. And then we say, I wish I would have followed it. So follow your gut. Be careful when you're working on your home. Have a lot of fun with it and make it the best place possible. Thanks a lot.